It's bubbling because it means
This is sour.
it's sour.
This shit's sour.
Hold on, look. Look at the color of the crabs.
You gotta be kidding me.
They're not even hot.
I'm too disgusted to touch that. I don't have fucking time to come back here and check on that. That's your fucking job.
And I said, we need to build a wall.
Fucking see you fucking horrible little cunt. Every year mainly you've got fucking attitude every fucking weekend without fear. You have to fucking tits off the kids, right? And now look, you fucking sit in the house being scrabbled, checking this to my league. Sort it out. Hey! Now, the sorry people, George fucking Rowdy, you little dark little badgy. Who wants it up the middle, make it come out of the back of you. On time of the week, on time of the back, on time of the week, on time of the week, on time of the week. Fucking talking now. They made me